Good evening. My name is Edward Katz. My family and I reside in Palo Alto, California, that is right next to Stanford Research. Formerly, we are a refugee from the USSR and arrived to this country back on September 11, was 1977. At that time, we didn't know how much paranoia, being overwhelmed, the institution and government agencies in this wonderful country. In 1980, we moved from Miami Beach, Florida, and settled in Redwood City, right next to the Stanford Research. Immediately after Reagan took power, Mr. Carter, he rejuvenated draconian medical experiment, and both of my children, August and Jay Katz, become victims of this horror, of disaster that it's hard to explain. It's hard to imagine what one mankind can do to another, and where to get this viciousness. After CIA, Stanford, FBI forcefully took my children for the experiment, my wife became next victim at Kaiser Hospital, Redwood City, California, and finally I, Edward Katz, been heavily implanted on March 11, 1991 at Kaiser Hospital, Redwood City, California. Since that moment, torture began. Torture began. Initially, we didn't understood what's going on because our mind was set up on what this country is screaming around the world: justice, equality, constitution. All that is not working. All that is just illusion, hallucination. It's a joke. Rape, torture, power given by people to psychopaths. That's what exists in this country. Overwhelmed. We've been subjected primarily to experiment involve visual functions, mind control, and many other studies that they can apply to implanted individual. What I right now said is very disastrous for entire family, because we all been subjected to be executed. Executed. At the moment when I speak, I've been tortured. And anybody, anyone who can listen to this message, if they have enough power, if they can find a doctor, ear, nose and throat specialist, to penetrate in my sinuses, lower sinuses, maxillary sinuses, they can see live this cluster of implants. I'm very confident to say this because we saw it in Europe. In Rostock, Germany, when doctors was petrified and didn't know what to say except they scream, "We have enough Hitler! Get out of here! We have enough Hitler!" Well, I think Hitler moved here in the United States and commit crime against babies by the use of public hospitals, and doctors afraid to say a single word. I wish anybody, anyone who've been subjected for experiment as our my family been subjected, to find the peace, to fight against creatures, to make sure that this technology would be exposed and used appropriately, because indeed it's a lot good could be done to the people by use of this technology. If you would like to know more about the fate of my family, you can visit our site at www.torture11.8k.com. Torture number 11 dot number 8 letter k.com. Or you can visit us on YouTube, youtube.com/forward the Gatos, the THE Gatos, GATOS. Thank you very much for your attention, and I wish well to anybody, everyone who been implanted, and those who have possibility to join the party. Please be careful. Please be careful. Thank you.